What did he take?
We don't know.
Fentanyl.
How long ago?
Not too long ago. He just
What's
ran up
like, not too long ago?
Like a minute or so.
Okay.
30 seconds, something like that.
I still got a pulse on him.
See, I felt his wrist and I couldn't feel any beat.
Okay. 21 CPR in progress. 1 dose of Narcan administered. Okay, keep doing CPR. I'm gonna get another dose.
Come on.
Okay, keep going. Just keep going.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
We're at probably 5 rounds of CPR so far. 2 doses of Narcan.
Okay.
Paraphernalia.
Oh, he's waking up.
Hey.
There you go, buddy.
Sternum rub.
Yep, sternum rub.
Hey.
Hey, what's up, man?
Hey.
Oh, yeah.
You all right, man?
Yeah, I'm not.
Okay.
You were dead. You were dead. You were dead.
Lay back.